Andre the Giant was born on May 19, 1946. He wrestled in Montreal as Jean Ferret, in Japan as Monster Ruzumov, and in 1973 debuted at Madison Square Garden as Andre the Giant. He became one of the most popular wrestlers in the WWF, now the WWE, and acted in Rob Reiner's 1987 film The Princess Bride. Ruzumov suffered from acromegaly, or gigantism, an endocrinological disorder that causes the body to secrete excessive amounts of growth hormones and produces continual growth, especially in the head, hands, and feet.
Put 2 of my fingers in his ring. I wear a size 17, 18 shoe. I could put my foot in Andre's shoe and switch it side to side. His shoe was that much bigger than mine.
Oh boy!
That's true.
How are you?
Fine.
Can I get you a mimosa?
No, thank you.
Gentlemen, who is my guest at this time, I'm talking about Andre the Giant. He is 7'4" 3/4. He weighs 485 pounds.
During the 1970s, he wrestled more than 300 days a year and became one of the world's most famous professional athletes. He remained dominant into the 1980s, defeating Hulk Hogan for the World Wrestling Federation heavyweight title on February 5, 1988. By 1992, he had undergone various surgeries and became increasingly overweight and immobile. He continued to wrestle, however, appearing for the last time in Japan in December of 1992. On January 27, 1993, Ruzumov died of an apparent heart attack in his hotel room in Paris, where he was staying after the burial of his father less than 2 weeks before.
Hi, I've been using Rest More for a few weeks. Helps me relax a lot. I really like it. I sleep soundly through the whole night, and I recommend it to everyone, so try the product Rest More.
Rest More is an essential addition to your medicine cabinet for those times you need to fall asleep but can't. Remember, when you just need more rest, get Rest More. Now available on Amazon. Good night.